So I'm standing here in what was once the formal living room, but we've converted it into Carl's home office. And I've moved his desk into the corner because I think it's more of a commanding position. And honestly, I didn't even really notice that until I had an assignment last week in class and we had to take pictures of the areas of our house. And Karen was like, "Is he okay there?" Because I had his desk in front of these windows here, which he wanted to look out, but it really wasn't the most commanding position. I think he feels better here now. And I had these trees in here, and I had to laugh yesterday because I was listening to the audio book of Move Your Stuff, Change Your Life, and it was talking about wood in this knowledge area, which is where Carl is. It really it pulls up the earth, so it's not really the element you want in here. So I took the trees out, and I think I want to take this tree out, but Carl doesn't know it yet, and he loves this tree, but this tree would be so much better if I moved it over here to the family area or even back into this prosperity area. So I'm thinking I'm going to switch places with it over here and put it where that lamp is, and we'll see what happens. And already some good stuff's happening since I moved things around, so we'll see. Wish me luck.